The 7 Series, Follett's sleek compact ice and water dispensers featuring Follett's exclusive chewblet ice. We offer 7 reasons to choose our ice and water dispensers for your refreshment needs. The first reason to choose a Follett's 7 Series is its compact size. At only 17.5 inches tall, the countertop model is the only ice and water dispenser in the industry that is able to fit on a counter under standard 18-inch millwork cabinetry. This innovative design allows the 7 Series to be placed in most locations without having to take out or move cabinets. And since it is only 14.5 inches wide, the dispenser won't take much counter space. Additionally, all 7 Series under-counter and freestanding models comply with ADA high, low, and side reach requirements. Countertop models installed on 34-inch high counters also comply. The second reason to choose Follett's 7 Series ice and water dispensers is the fact that they do not require a drain. Any water that melts in the storage bin drains back to the ice maker and is refrozen. This gives you greater flexibility in placing your dispenser since you are no longer limited to areas with drainage capabilities. Water in the drip tray is not cycled back into the machine. When the 20-ounce drip tray is full, an indicator lights up and the machine stops dispensing. The tray can then be easily removed and emptied, similar to a typical water cooler. Then you simply replace the drip tray and can continue to use the dispenser. For proper operation, the 7 Series dispensers must be used with incoming water containing less than 400 milligrams per liter total dissolved solids and less than 200 milligram per liter hardness. The third reason to choose Follett's 7 Series ice and water dispensers is sanitation. These dispensers allow you to dispense without touching the ice. There are no scoops, so no hands touch the ice. This greatly reduces the likelihood of contamination, giving you clean, pure ice. Compare the Follett's 7 Series under-counter dispenser to a typical open bin ice maker. When you reach into the bin to scoop ice, your hands come in contact with the ice, and this poses a risk of contamination. You might find some people dragging their dirty cups through the ice or even storing their lunches in the open bin. The 7 Series under-counter model can be a direct replacement for many under-counter open bin ice makers since it fits in the same footprint as many existing scoop-out dispensers. The fourth reason to choose Follett's 7 Series ice and water dispensers is efficiency. The Consortium for Energy Efficiency rates the 7 Series as a Tier 2 highly energy-efficient ice machine. They are as much as 60% more efficient than similarly sized cube-type ice machines. All 7 Series machines also have a standard sleep mode where the display goes dark and the ice maker stays off during periods of inactivity to save more energy. The 7 Series is also very efficient in terms of water consumption, using up to 75% less water than small cubers. This is especially important in communities with water supply concerns. The fifth reason to choose Follett's 7 Series ice and water dispensers is aesthetics. The 7 Series design elevates dispenser aesthetics to an exciting new level. The high-quality stainless steel exterior with black, gray, and chrome accents give this dispenser a sophisticated look. The soft contour design, blue accent lighting, capacitive touch user interface, and quiet operation make it the perfect complement to almost any decor. The sixth reason to choose Follett's 7 Series ice and water dispensers is their antimicrobial product protection. All the major ice and water contact components are treated with Aegion, including the bin, water reservoir, drip tray, and interface panel. Aegion is an antimicrobial technology based on elemental silver, reviewed and registered by the EPA, FDA, and NSF, and approved for food and water contact. Through the release of low levels of silver, Aegion silver ions inhibit microbial growth by disrupting cell functions in bacteria, yeasts, molds, and fungi. This antimicrobial additive does not affect the water or the ice itself, only the treated components, helping these components to stay clean. The seventh reason to choose Follett's 7 Series ice and water dispensers is the top quality refreshment. Chewblet Ice is a soft, chewable nugget that people like to munch on during and after the drink. It is a favorite of many customers. In fact, Independent studies show that tubeless ice, on average, is preferred by over 2 to 1 compared to typical cube-type ice, and that popularity rises to 90% in some areas of the country. The 7 Series also has optional water filters to ensure that all ice and water you get from a Follett dispenser is pure and clean. Available in freestanding, under-counter, and countertop models, the 7 Series is a great addition to any office or guest refreshment. Contact Follett for more information.